In this video, we will show you how to make packaging boxes printed with white toner. Oki Pro 9542 is the best solution for printing in white. Select your colored or dark media to be printed and print it with Oki Pro 9542. It gives you high-quality prints in CMYK plus white toner. Just imagine if you will print this artwork in white media. It'll bring high toner cost and low-quality prints. Oki Pro 9542 will save toner by minimizing the artwork and gives you elegant result. Print up to 1,500 boxes in 1 hour. Now load your printed media for cutting, creasing, and finishing with FCX4000 digital flatbed cutter. Using two different tools and the same job at the same time increases work efficiency. It has a speed up to 750 mm per second and causes no damage to your printed graphic. Either you can cut in front or backside using ARMS function to cut and crease in reverse. And here is your result with perfect cuts and perfect crease. Perfect choice for packaging and prototyping. To know more about full digital label printing and packaging solutions, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.